So here are the YouTube settings tutorial that you should able to turn on so able to get some views and attraction. So let's get started. So the first one I want to start off is keywords. Keywords is the most important part about YouTube automations on this, and let me tell you why. Let me tell you an good example why you should able to turn this on. So let's say you're making an Easter egg, movie like Disney, for example, and let's say this is the one video your competitor is doing, and this one's down here. This down here is you. This down here is you. This is what the keywords are doing. This down here is you. Another one fun fact is that whenever you click on this video, when you go home, the recommendations is going to be right here. That is why it's really important to put on the keywords. A lot of people do not know about this, but it's the truth. The next part is advanced settings. So the advanced settings is you put no and to not make this kids for channel. Do not able to put yes. Never put yes. Never put yes. It damages your channel. It's not really good for you. Only put no. You can only do this one if you want to, but only put no. No's are recommended. I recommend no. Always no. And if you want if you want all the competitors just to clip your views, clip many contents, you can allow that if you want to, or these two too. Only if you guys want to. Future eligibility. Future eligibility is what is gonna give you making longer videos in 15 minutes and making custom thumbnails. That's what that's what you need for making thumbnails, videos. This is the really important part about doing YouTube, is making longer than 15-minute videos. Upload defaults. So let me explain you what is upload defaults. So whenever you go to upload defaults, you can see visibility, public, private, or unlisted. So whenever you're trying to upload a video, it's gonna be private or unlisted. So if you want your videos to be public, it's gonna be public ASAP. If you want your videos to be private, it's gonna be private to ASAP. And yeah, it just goes on the same as unlisted. Tags. You could also do tags on this one. It's like the same as the keywords. Like let's say if you're gonna do Hollywood, it's basically the same thing as the keywords. It's basically the same thing, but yeah, it's there for a reason, by the way. Advanced settings on upload defaults. So let me explain you what is the standard license right here. So the standard license is that YouTube will actually detect one of your videos, and yeah, your videos are going to be standard, and it's going to be YouTube in silence. So yeah. Another one is category. So any kind of type of niche you're into, and let's say you're doing you're doing Minecraft videos, then you have to put in gaming videos. So Minecraft is gaming, and you put gaming. My niche is about film and animation, so mine is gonna be film and animations, and it's gonna be right here. And if you want if your videos are kind of entertainment, then yeah, your videos are entertainment, and you click on entertainment. None of these you don't have to click on, only if you guys want to. Language and caption certification doesn't really matter, it's only up to you. Next up is permissions. So permissions is you can invite your manager, you can invite different other people right here. Editing, limited, subtitle, viewer. Yeah, you could just you can add someone, just be a viewer, bro. It's kind of crazy. You can make someone as a manager, create, edit, and delete content. So one of the things that people make the most mistake about this on permissions is accidentally making it with someone in a manager. Please be careful with someone that you trust with that's making the manager. If you're gonna make someone that's a manager, they can take away your money, they can they can demolish your account, they can delete your account. Please be careful with using the manager on this to someone else on the email. Please be careful on this. All right, this is the warning. Everything else is completely fine, but be careful with manager. All right, manager is kind of be a scary part. The next one is community moderation. So the community moderation, if you want to go down here, you can block words. Like if one of your haters are saying that this video is AI, or this video is doo-doo, or cussing out one of your comments, and you just don't like it, you could just block the words AI and then put this is no doo-doo, or you could just put like block words. Block words to block words. That is one of the settings that why community moderation is sort of important if you don't like, you know, the comments, the haters. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. That is all I have for you guys. If you guys want to learn more about this, you guys are welcome to go on my link in my bio or link in the description. I'll put in the link in the description or in the comment. You guys can join in my community only for $35 or only for $300 a year, and you will get results just like these. As you can see, he's making around $7,000 off per month of a year, and then $8,000, and then yep, right here, $76,000 off of this. It's really impressive. You guys can go check it out on the link in the description. And if you guys don't want to, that's completely fine. I'm not here to beg you guys to join in, but yeah, it's only if you guys want to. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.